That's Germany's biggest photography shop. I'm hoping to find the Rode Video Wireless, Rode Wireless Go. Most of what I was searching for. I got the microphone, I got the adapter, and I got a thing to mount them all together. If you saw my last video and the videos before, you know that I bought an Osmo Pocket for vlogging. The Osmo Pocket is the first device I ever bought that, like, after half an hour without even being productive with it, I knew that that was a good purchase. I immediately fell in love with it. One thing you absolutely need if you have an Osmo Pocket is good sound, better sound than the internal mic, same as on any camera, on the phone. So what I have here, that's the adapter. You need an adapter. I guess the DJI does that, so you spend more money on the Osmo Pocket.
Business und Premium-Gäste an Bord. Bitte halten Sie beim Einsteigen Ihre Bordkarten, die Reisepässe und die Einreisekarten für Kuba.
The Rode Wireless Go or any other microphone and your Osmo Pocket and your phone. I would have preferred a mount that doesn't include the phone. I did a lot of research on that. I spent like 2 days in front of the computer searching for a solution, but I didn't really find a good one. So in the end, and for now, I just went with the thing that also includes the phone, and you don't necessarily have to mount the phone. It also turned out when trying it that it's a good option to have that thing on the side where you usually mount the phone and have it as kind of like a handle. So it's convenient to hold. What I wanted to make the Osmo Pocket as small as possible, because like where's the point if you have an Osmo Pocket and then it's like 4 times bigger because the microphone is huge. I have a very good mic, a shotgun mic for the camera, but I wanted something else. And what we are unboxing here, that's the Rode Wireless Go. Doing my research, I realized that the Rode Wireless Go is probably the best device to keep the Osmo Pocket as small as possible. And I'm already recording the sound. With the Rode Wireless Go. The Rode Wireless Go, it's amazing how easy it was to set that up. I've never ever used the device before. I saw a few videos on YouTube, but I will show that at the end of the video. You plug it, you turn it on, and it's immediately connected. It's immediately working. You don't have to do anything to make that thing work. The cable, I found out today, that cable works with the Osmo Pocket and the Rode Wireless Go, but it doesn't work with the smartphone and the Rode Wireless Go. For the smartphone, you need a different cable, some kind of like TRS, some kind of adapter cable. I'm not an expert on that topic. And the setup you see now, that's the setup I will be using. So I will not. So it makes it bigger. I would still prefer to have an option to just mount the Rode Wireless Go on the side of the Osmo Pocket. You will find lots of videos online. To find the Rode Wireless Go. Oh, and the audio should be better. First time using the Wireless Go mic. The problem with the Osmo Pocket for me is that it's not possible to have the Wi-Fi module and the microphone adapter plugged. I don't know why they would do that, because the wireless adapter, it actually has It actually has a plug on the side. You could plug something. You can charge it while you're using the wireless module, but you cannot use the wireless module and plug the microphone adapter into the wireless module. Yeah, that's it. And here you can see how easy it was to make the Rode Wireless Go work. I'm already a fan. Like these two things, maybe these are the best purchases I've ever made. That's how it feels for now. Because like the Osmo Pocket, I immediately fell in love with that, and the Rode Wireless Go, I've never bought anything that worked so seamless. You plug it, it's connected, it works. So yeah, that's it from me. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will for sure be back and talk more about the Osmo Pocket and about the Rode Wireless Go. I'm in Istanbul at the airport, and in like 2 hours I will board a flight to Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. So if you also want to see travel videos, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon. Bye bye.